Hey guys, today we're going to demo our newest curl, the LAsh. We're so excited to launch, and we're going to show you or walk you through the whole service, what it's like to get a service with a LAshX professional. Hey guys, how are you?
Good, how are
you?
Nice to see you. So good to see you.
So guys, today we're so excited. We have Jami and Lexi here.
Hi.
Funniest YouTube station ever. If you guys haven't seen it, I'm going to put a link below. You guys have to check them out. They have the best beauty tips. I don't know, you guys talk about it.
We do some baking, we do some hairstyles.
Yeah, we kind of do some like weird stuff, but like
life talks.
we make it kind of beauty related and fashion related, but we're also just weirdos. So yeah.
But today I'm super excited because Jami has been modeling our blue lashes, and today Lexi's going to give our new LAshes a whirl, which are our new most dramatic, curliest lash. We're super excited. And I'm going to walk you guys through what a service is like when you go to a LAshX Pro, what to expect. The first step in the lash service is the consent form. The consent form is one of the most important parts of our service. Not only does it protect the clients by letting them know exactly what to expect, how to care for the lashes, and make sure that they're a great candidate for the service, but it also protects the lash professional. So you're going to just fill out your info, and if you have any questions, let us know.
Okay, thank you.
After the consent form is filled out, the next step is the consultation. In the consultation, we actually look at the client's lashes and analyze their natural lash health, their natural curl, their natural volume, their eye shape, their face structure. Then we ask a series of questions to determine what look will be best for the client and what they have in their mind. You can do the most beautiful lash look in the world, but if your client is envisioning something else and you don't hit that mark, they're not going to be satisfied. After we do our consultation, we like to do what's called our prep and prime. Hey Lexi, so right now we're gonna prep and prime your lashes. So I'm gonna show you how to clean them at home, but we'll also do it before the service to get you ready. This cleans our lashes and prepares them for the service today by removing any natural oils or bacteria, but also educates the client so when they do go home, they know how to properly care for their lashes. What the cleanser does is it removes any natural oils or bacteria, so your lashes will actually last 2 weeks longer if you use it at least 3 times a week. This has panthenol and biotin too to make your natural lashes healthier, and you'll notice it won't suds or foam. Any kind of suds or foaming is actually dehydrating and would make your extensions come off sooner. So this is really hydrating to help them last. Cleaning your lash extensions is essential to making them last and keep them looking good for the full 4 to 6 to 8 weeks. Perfect. And we're ready to get started.
Thank you.
Now that we've done our prep and prime, we're ready to get started on our service. So now is the application time. I like to start out by building a framework. So I start with the longest lashes first to create a frame on the eye, and then I fill in to create fluff. Like for our lash pros, they're trying to get business. Do you have any like tips for them for their social media marketing? Like you guys are great at, I mean, obviously you're just fun to watch, but like, is there any tips to get them more exposure or?
I feel like just consistency,
collaboration,
Yeah.
putting out like the best photos that you have.
and if you can have like kind of a theme, or like, I mean, this goes back with consistency, but like if you're posting something like every few photos or like every like weekly, then people like know what to expect when they go to your profile, and that I think is really important.
I'm gonna do a little bit of the fan. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Let me give you the mirror. I'm so excited for you to see these. They look so great.
Oh my
Looks
gosh.
so good.
I love them.
I'm obsessed. You're my first official client to model the LAsh.
I feel so much better. Like now I can
No,
leave
they
my
actually
house.
look so good. I want those next.
I'm like upset. Thank you.
They look so good too. That I
Just what I needed. Now I can leave my house.
Now that we've finished the service, we're going to explain to the client our aftercare, or how they're going to care for the lashes at home. So just a reminder, no water for 24 hours, no steam, saunas, facials for 2 days, and then you want to avoid any kind of oils or salts. The best thing, just use that lash cleanser I showed you at least 3 times a week, but as often as you want. It's completely safe.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get you the lash growth serum too, and you do that every day for 3 weeks. Your natural lashes will get fuller, thicker, and longer, but your extensions will actually last 2 weeks longer, so it will help maintain them.
Perfect.
And you should go about 6 weeks between fills.
Awesome.
Now our client's ready to go. They have all their aftercare needs and they're ready to care for these lashes. So the last and final step to our process after your clients are ready to go home with all their aftercare is pre-booking them. And we like to set up a 10-day touch-up. Not because they've lost many lashes in 10 days, but because that gives us an opportunity to check the lashes, make sure nothing's going wrong before they've lost many. And it also gives us a chance to tweak the look if they want to make any changes. I include this free with every full set. Perfect. Well, thank you guys for coming. Thanks for bringing your friend to me.
Of course. Thank you so much.
And if you guys want to follow Jami and Lexi, they're on YouTube. And you say your YouTube, your Instagram screen names. It's
Jami Alex.
Lexi Mars.
And then our YouTube is just youtube.com/Jami and Lexi. So, and it's
Sure to follow.
JAMI.
they're super
Yes.
funny.
Yeah.
So watch them. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.